I'm Simon Ware, Director of Commercial Products for Sonance. Today we're going to look at the Sonance Professional Series surface mount product. The surface mount is available in a 4-inch, 5 1/4, 6 1/2 and 8-inch two-way, as well as an 8-inch woofer. It's available in black or white, and the white is paintable, and it's IPX4, so it's rated for outdoor applications, it's spray and it's splash proof. All of the Sonance Professional Series uses our laminated core technology transformer, which gives you 8 ohm performance in a 70 volt, 100 volt environment. One of the real standout features of the Sonance Professional Series surface mount product is this front connection port and a pass-through cable and our fast mount bracket. Unlike everybody else where you've got to balance on the top of the ladder and connect the terminals on the back and then try and hold this in the U bracket and get the nuts on there, with us you simply mount the bracket, climb the ladder, click the speaker onto the bracket, push the cable through this pass-through at the back, which has a rubber grommet to prevent moisture getting through, bring the speaker cable to the front, connect your Phoenix connector, adjust your tap, plug it in, put this cap on, put the grill on, and then clip it into place. Let's go out and have a look at it installed. So we're going to go ahead and install this fast mount bracket. We're just going to put in some studs here in the training room we've got here at Dana Innovations. But of course you'd obviously use the spirit level and get it where you want to put it under the ears. So the bracket goes on as per normal. We obviously recommending using 4 screws. These 4 bolts in the middle are if you want to use U-bolts to pole mount them. So once your bracket's in place, you can simply take the speaker. I mentioned this pass-through grommet on the back. You just take the speaker wire and push it through that pass-through grommet through to the front. So once it's lined up, and by the way, you can also obviously run the cable through these holes here as well if you like. Once it's lined up, you simply take the speaker, line it up on the bracket, click it into place. So now that we've done that, we take our wires. We would normally take our Phoenix connector, connect them on there, get that terminated. We'd adjust our tap while it's there, and then we take this cover and we simply click the cover into place. Now that means that the connector and the tap are all out of the elements. We take our grill and we simply push this into place, so line it up where we want it to be. And it is a friction fit grill and it's meant to be tight. You notice as I'm pushing it in, it's taking a little bit of effort. That's meant to be the case so that it doesn't actually come out afterwards. You don't want the grill obviously coming loose. So now that grill's in place, this is one of the real cool features. To get this at the same angle as the other speakers, we simply count the clicks. So 1, 2, 3. Once we're at the angle we want, there is a lockout pin hidden in the logo that we click on both sides, and now patrons can't mess with the grill and change the angle. Because they can't access those release pins in there, they also can't steal the speaker because they can't get to those release tabs. So what we've learned is that this installation process takes the average 10-minute installation down to 2 minutes, saving you a ton in labour. So that's it, mounting a Sonance Professional Series surface mount speaker.